Also have with me Advocate Sonali Chopra joining us on the broadcast. Ms. Chopra, your thoughts, ma'am, on the order that has been issued by the Supreme Court, and what exactly become the next steps for the municipal authorities and other people in the national capital, so that the next 8 weeks are not simply about protests on the street or it becoming ugly for our furry friends out there. What is it that really practically now needs to be done?
Unfortunately, the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court does not look at the practicality. I say that with certain responsibility, being an animal welfare activist myself. It is not possible to pick up the 10 lakh dogs that are there in Delhi at the moment and to put them in shelters. It is not possible. We don't have the infrastructure. We don't have the implementation skills. Because if we did, the ABC, which has been there since 2000, early 2000s, would have been implemented by now. Unfortunately, the implementation of the ABC is a fail, due to which we've reached this stage today. And it is an absolute disheartening situation to see the order that was passed today. I do not think it can be implemented in a way where the furry friends, as you said, are not harmed.
Okay, but Advocate Chopra, why do you think that the court has not pulled up the municipal corporations? Because we all know about the ABC program that was expected to be implemented over the past many decades. Why do you think that that program has failed and we've reached the stage of having 10 lakh dogs? Here we were discussing with our experts how much land it would take to shelter anywhere between 150 to 200 dogs, and our experts say minimum of 5 acres of land. You're talking about 10 lakh dogs. We can all do the maths ourselves of how much land itself that would require. So why do you think that we have failed to implement the ABC? What have been the major hurdles? Perhaps if we are able to address those hurdles, we may be able to take a step forward.
The hurdles, number one, has been the corruption. Unfortunately, it is what it is. There are allocated funds to run the ABC program with designated ABC centers. I have personally visited ABC centers and seen their state. Half of them do not function as on date. As individual caregivers and other NGOs, we are sterilizing and inoculating dogs on our own with our own funds. It is actually people who are on-ground caregivers who are implementing the ABC as far as it has been implemented today. Why the Honorable Supreme Court has not pulled up the municipal corporations is a question I ask myself also. There were many animal welfare authorities as well as organizations present before the Honorable Supreme Court today with applications for intervention. However, they were not heard and were dismissed at the outset. So they did not have a chance to put forward this reality of the municipal corporations and the lack of implementation of the ABC. And it is a question I wish the Honorable Supreme Court asks in the dates to come.